Okay, this is what we got going on right now. We're gonna be removing this dying maple. You can see it's overhanging the house, overhanging all of these flowers right here. Goodness. And this is why we're removing it. It's just dying and leaning towards the house. All right, wish us luck. Yes, sir. All right. Little by little. All right.
Don't pull it up. We gotta shoot the.
Okay, so this is the after. Look at the difference. Wow, more safe. She decided to keep the stump for now. There you go. All right.